In this video I'm going to show you how to create multiple PDF pages in Canva. So as you can see, I have a ebook over here. I have created an ebook about finance basics for young women. Now as you can see, I have different pages, but if you want to download them as a PDF, then you can simply go to the share button and click on download and make sure all pages are selected. So go to select pages and here you will find all pages. Make sure you will select all. So definitely select this checkbox, otherwise it won't work. Now after that, click on done and now you are able to select the file type. So what you need to do is select the file type, then select PDF, and after that you can click on download. Now once you have downloaded this design, the PDF pages will be downloaded into your PC. And as you can see, if I open the design now, then we have successfully created multiple PDF pages in Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!